Good morning from a very loud, a very hot and a very sweaty Coron, Palawan. Now this may or may not be my first video here. It really depends if I'm going to post a video from Manila. So either welcome to or welcome back to the Philippines. Let's get on a boat and hope for a bit of wind because I'm absolutely dying out here. Just in case I don't post the other video, I'll say it one more time. This is my first time in the Philippines. It's definitely not Febby's first time in the Philippines. She is back in her homeland, so she is my tour guide for the next month. Okay? Still okay. Let's go. Okay, after about 25 minutes on the water and a little trek through the old jungle planks, we've arrived at the first destination. However, no jumping in the water yet because we've got 367 steps to climb. Let's go, see you in a minute. Before I lose my breath on the steps, I think I forgot to mention at the start of the video that we're on a tour. We're going to see some of the best swimming, snorkelling and diving spots in Palawan. I am no diver. Actually, a couple of years ago I didn't even know if I could still swim, so I'm not the best in the water. I won't be doing any of that, but we'll go for a swim. Maybe we'll send Febby in like we did in Italy and she can go and have a look at the fish or something instead. Now I'm going to get up these steps. Luckily I've got long arms and I can put the camera up in the air because I'm not standing in that queue. Let's go because I want to swim. I'm not very good with Filipino words, so Febby is going to say the name of the lake for me.
Kayangan Lake.
There we go, put it on the screen as well. You may or may not be able to hear me right now because the microphone went wrong last time, so if there's a lot of voiceovers in this video, you know why. Hopefully you'll have just seen some drone footage from Febby's new drone. I'm not allowed near it because I nearly crashed it one of the first times I used it. I think it's safer if we let her do it, so fingers crossed that works out. Back to the boat now, hopefully the hiking's over. I think we're arriving at the next place now. Even I can say the name of this one, Barracuda Lake. Leave a comment and tell me what's the first thing you think of when you hear the word Barracuda. Is it shooting them on Tomb Raider like me? Probably not, but there's a reference for you. We got to park up and maybe climb across a few boats again now. Okay, here's the catch. We have to jump off the side of the boat and swim over there. I'm not very good at swimming while holding the camera, so we'll see how this works out. We might get there, we might not. Maybe we'll get eaten by barracudas. Let's find out. Okay, we just about survived the swim. Hopefully the camera has too. We live in hope. Now we're in a traffic jam. Unfortunately, the life vest is still mandatory here, so whether or not I'm going to go in properly, we'll see. See you in a minute. Febby is in charge of the camera for a bit. It's shooting now. Okay, we're stopping for lunch. I asked Feby what lunch was in Filipino so I could say it, and she doesn't even know. Salamat. Safe and dry.
For red horse.
Tatlo yan, di ba? Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang. Sila mahal-mahal dun. Mamalang kilo dito.
I've had some watermelon, I've had some biscuits that I packed from the shop. Finally, it looks like we can go for a swim without the life vests on. However, I'm about to run out of battery, so we've got to swim back to the boat and change the batteries now. See you again in a bit. Beer delivery man on YouTube.
I'm 7-Eleven. Yes. It eats.
Thank you, brother.
If you don't like beer,
Beer delivery next to the boat. So, as I stand here and finish my beer, the place we've stopped now, there's a shipwreck here and there's coral, but because I can't scuba dive or dive, I can't really see any of it. We'll try and send Feby in again with the mask and she can have a look. I'm more content with just jumping off the side of a boat now and having a swim in the nice turquoise sea in front of me, which is all I wanted to do really. Wrist strap on, safety first. Here we go. Okay, we're transferring the camera now to Feby. The pressure is on. Not only are you in charge of the drone shots, you're in charge of the ocean shots as well. Ready? Let's go.
Let's see what we can find under the water.
Okay, so I started following everyone to the shipwreck and it's ridiculously far and now I'm stranded in deep water. I'm really tired. I've got to make my way back. I'm out of breath, as you can tell. I'm handing the camera over to Feby. She's going to try and get one of the tour guides to go under the water and take some footage of the shipwreck for us. So I'm handing over and now the pressure is all on Feby. See you later. Thought we were going home and apparently we've got another stop. It's a beach, no one's got off yet. There's a beer delivery man again. Feby's trying to pay on her phone because we've run out of money. Filipino PayPal saves the day. And that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a big old like, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I will see you next time in Manila. Here we go.